Hi folks, Richard Fontenay here. Now, thank you for checking out my product review. Now, before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coach to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Yeah, that's $10,000 a month. Now, if you're interested, please check out the first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can grab the product from the second link in that description at any point during this video. And when you do, I will give you my 4 exceptional bonuses that I have been able to snag from my coach, Virgil Downs. The first bonus shows you how to supercharge your make money online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources, and you get them every Friday. Grab it and you'll reach your online income goals quickly and easily. The second bonus is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. Now, when you get an order for a high value gig, for example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price, and you deliver that to your buyer. And you pocket the difference in the process. The third bonus, you will learn how to create a passive income. And this is an important point. It's a recurring passive income, and you can do it with ease. And the fourth bonus will allow you to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps. And you can do that without spending a lot of time, 15 minutes daily to run the entire system. Now, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic source. Now, let's get back to the review. The creator of 3D Toonz is the team at ClickSpots. Now, it has created several apps with over 500 sales each on Warrior Plus. In a nutshell, 3D Toonz is the world's first AI-based 3D cartoon character building technology to create limitless videos in any niche at a low one-time price. Now, there are 9 things you should know about this product. It has a low one-time price with commercial license included, and there are no monthly fees. Number 2, it's beginner-friendly with a metaverse technology, and has generated over 400,000 avatars. It has an inbuilt image-to-cartoon converter. It has royalty-free assets with no copyrights. It has over 1 million HD stock videos to choose from, and you don't need any special skills. Basically, it's a 3-step process. It generates limitless unique avatars. And there's a one-click download process, so it's easy peasy. And it has a 30-day money-back guarantee. Now, the sales funnel looks like this. The front end is $14.01, and that includes a commercial license. Now, there are 6 upsells, each with a downsell. And the upsells range from $37 or $37.01 to $97.01. Now, I'm not sure what the 01 is all about, but in any event, it's $37.01 to $97.01. Now, you got to watch for the downsells, because there are downsells,
and you will save some money, but you will get less of the product. So if you want to know more, click the second link below and get the full story. And oh yes, before I go, check out how to earn $10,000 monthly in the first link below. And don't forget my 4 bonuses, because they show you how to supercharge your online business and get access to free traffic. You can buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference. It'll show you how to gain recurring income online with ease, and how to earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. Thank you for listening. Bye for now.